Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Most people don't think of chiropractic when it comes to treating conditions that don't involve the spine, but study after study shows it's effective in treating a wide variety of health issues, like, for example, ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis seems to have no real connection with the spine, yet patients and researchers alike are actually touting the effectiveness of chiropractic care to treat the condition. And this is due in part to chiropractic's approach to whole body wellness. But spinal misalignments are incorporated into the care as well. So bottom line is chiropractic care is extremely effective in treating ulcerative colitis, and many patients are finding relief from their symptoms and discomfort. So what is ulcerative colitis? Well, it's a disease that causes ulcers or sores and inflammation in the rectum and colon area, and typically only the sigmoid colon, which is the lower portion of the colon, is affected along with the rectum. However, the entire colon can be affected, and the percentage of the colon that is affected tends to coincide with the severity of the disease and the symptoms. And while it can affect people of any age, the majority of folks who have it are diagnosed with it younger than 30 years old. And researchers are not certain what causes this, but many believe that it occurs when the body's immune system overreacts to bacteria that naturally occur in your body, and specifically in the digestive tract. There also seems to be a genetic predisposition, like a lot of things, for the disease, and it can run in families. So what are some of the symptoms of ulcerative colitis? Well, the type and severity of the symptoms that present with this depend on how advanced or severe the colon is affected and how bad the condition is. So the symptoms can subside or disappear for several weeks at a time. And there's some patients that report stating that they had no symptoms at all for years, and then they come back. About half the people with ulcerative colitis experience pretty mild effects. So the most common symptoms are diarrhea. That's the most common symptom. And next is pain. That's also a very common symptom. Cramping, to also photophobia or sensitivity to light, accompanied by eye pain. That's also could also be part of it. Nausea can be a part of it too. Can be a common symptom. Fatigue. You're just tired all the time. It's because the bleeding depletes the body's red blood cells, and that can cause extreme tiredness. Dehydration too, kind of a byproduct of the diarrhea. Weight loss too. It also comes from loss of appetite, and the body just can't absorb the nutrition that it needs from the food that are being ingested. So you can have weight loss and malnutrition too, and sores as well. Mouth and skin sores can form, as well as rashes. So what treatments are typically available for ulcerative colitis? Well, different people are affected differently when they're battling this disease. Patients usually with mild symptoms can take over-the-counter medication, but the majority of patients with the disease take prescription medications, and that helps decrease the immune response in the body. Lifestyle changes can also work. If the disease is very severe, someone may need to undergo surgery and have their colon removed. Yikes. And another solution, of course, is chiropractic. A lot of people turn to chiropractic care, and when the body is out of alignment, it can hinder the function of the organs and other parts of the body. And by realigning the spine and the pelvis, the chiropractor can help the patient lessen or completely alleviate their symptoms. The whole body health approach that you have with chiropractic can also help with lifestyle changes and diet modifications. So many people who get regular chiropractic for their ulcerative colitis have a significant decrease in symptoms, and often have the complete elimination of them without all the horrible side effects of prescription medications or even over-the-counter medications, and definitely don't have to have surgery to remove the colon, which is just horrible. So if you have this, or you know somebody who has ulcerative colitis, it would behoove you to go and see a chiropractor for it, and at least try it out, see if it'll help. Check us out at newhopechiropractic.com, and have a healthy day.